Ready to turn your Apple Pay into Bitcoin? Let's do this in under 90 seconds using the Exodus wallet. First, make sure you have the Exodus wallet installed on your iPhone and that you've already set it up. If not, pause here, download it from the App Store, and create your secure wallet. Now, from the main screen, tap the wallet icon. This will bring you to your asset list. Find Bitcoin and tap on it. This opens the Bitcoin wallet within Exodus. See that big friendly buy button? Tap it. This is where the magic happens. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your local currency. Exodus will automatically calculate the equivalent in Bitcoin. Ensure that Apple Pay is selected as your payment method. If it's not, tap on the payment method option and choose Apple Pay from the list. This will automatically use the card associated with your Apple Pay account. Okay, double check everything. Once you're happy with the amount and the payment method, tap the buy button again. Your iPhone will now prompt you to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This is Apple's secure confirmation process. After successful authentication, your purchase will be processed and your Bitcoin will appear in your Exodus wallet within minutes. And that's it. Congratulations! You've just bought Bitcoin with Apple Pay in Exodus. Now you can start exploring the world of crypto. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.